Welcome to a overstimulated, overtired, overworked, burnt out mom who sometimes cleans. Today I'm tackling cleaning the couch, which is about 6 months past due. Word to the wise, if you have swamp monsters, aka children, do not get a light colored couch. And that's on me, that was my mistake. The children or the light colored couch, you ask? That's a secret I'll never tell. I had been putting this off for so long that now my couch was turning into a new shade of a beautiful chocolate brown, which maybe I should have embraced. But that's why God loves me and invented removable covers. So I took them all off, threw them in the wash, hoping that does the trick for another 6 to 8 months. As the overstimulated mom that I am, I've realized that having a big house is not a flex. No, it's actually the opposite, because then you have to clean and maintain that home with multiple children like this one you see. My current fixation is moving and downsizing sometime next year because we have too much stuff. My toxic trait is that I will see something in my house, not know where it's from or who it belongs to, immediately in the trash, which becomes a problem when James the next day is asking where his toothbrush is. You know, it creates an awkward situation for me. All that to say, I am the proud new owner of 2 new blankets, which I definitely did not need. Maybe I am the problem, but this is a problem I'm okay with having. They're by Sunset Snuggles. They are so soft and squishy. They're the only blanket I want in my house. You know, the real key of living in Florida to make it feel like fall is turning your air conditioning down to 69. And it just brings you right into the spirit. If you're feeling wild, spray some sleepy time mist on the pillows so that as soon as your kids touch them, they're knocked. Then I have a bin for all of their toys because I want it to look like no one lives here except me, myself, and Pottery Barn. Well, I hope this has inspired you to stop watching Love is Blind, because we all know that's not true. Get off the couch you're rotting in and clean it. It'll make you feel so much better. Who knew a washing machine could work so well? Now I'm heading to schedule myself a chiropractic appointment from putting those covers back on, and I'm going to enjoy my clean couch for about 2 hours.